How to make only specific friends can see your stories on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your stories on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and then click profile information. In this profile click posts, and here you can find who can see your stories. Click on it and then just click custom and change, and now just select anyone you want here and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.